What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. You guys already know it's Jerry. You're watching Where's Garage, and today, you can tell by the title, I'll be installing the Cobb turbo inlet. I already have one, but I bought it used a long time ago, and the metal part where it keeps the intake or the air intake coupling on, it keeps slipping off because I think the little metal piece is bent. I mean, you can take that metal piece out, maybe put something else like another stronger metal to make it work, but I didn't feel like doing all that, so I just got another one, replace it because it's making my car kind of rich. So the old one, what I'm going to do is, like I said, there's nothing wrong with the old one, just that one thing, which, like I said, you can probably take the metal thing out, put another thin metal that's stronger than the one that's in there, and then boom, you got you a inlet. So that I will take off the old one, and that I'm going to do a giveaway to give that one for free. So whoever wins that, I will send it off for free. You don't have to pay no shipping, nothing. I'll do take care of the shipping. Just it's on you, on whoever gets it. For that giveaway, I do more information on the giveaway. But till then, let's get to this video. So I already open. I mean, see it. I mean, I already know what it is. 'Cause I already have one, but I'm opening it up. So this is the Cobb turbo inlet. So on mine, this part right here, this circle part, mine is bent and it doesn't stay on, it slides off, and I think that's what is making my car kind of rich, because when I went to go smoke test it Friday, I was tightening off the clamps, and I barely even was doing anything, and it slid off, like it was off. So I'm for sure this is probably what the problem is. So yeah, I'm gonna just change this out and put the new stuff. So here's the clamps right here. I gave you four small ones. Guessing for that, but I already got some. But I probably put these on since it's new. Comes with the little nozzle for the small piece right here. And comes with a quarter sport license plate, and two. I have like 3 of these because most of my parts from not Core Sport. I say Core Sport. I mean to say Cobb. I have like 4 of these, and whoever wins the old one, I'll throw this in with it in the giveaway, and I'll throw in the Cobb sticker. So whoever wins, you get a Cobb sticker, Cobb license plate, and the old Cobb turbo inlet. So that's what comes in the box. This is a thank you card. Like AJ was the one that packed this up. So let's get going. So I'm not going to show fully. I'm going to show you what to take off and stuff like that, but I'm just going to set the phone down and just record me taking this stuff off. So what you're going to do is going to take off first, of course, take off the battery out, and take out the box, and then take this off, take off your connectors to your ECU, and then once all that's cleared out the way, you just start taking off. If you guys have this, take off the air box. There's 2 tins down there. If you have this, you take this off. I have to move this out the way. Take this off, and then turbo inlet, it's back there, or the whole thing's right here, but it's like a connector. It's a tin, not a connector by itself. Let me see if I can see right there, right here. That's a tin. Take that off and pull it off. So like I said, most of you guys know how to take that off. I'm pretty sure if you guys have them on speed, did that plenty of times. So I'm just gonna set you guys down and take stuff off. So hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll get to you guys when I put the new one on. can see it's sliding off. It's kind of barely on there. Let's lay it off. That's what I'm talking about. It slides off, and I think I'm getting air through there. So that's why we just go ahead and replace it. There you have it. So this how it's all sliding off and it's on there. So get out. There you go. See, they just slide off, but I got it used and put two of them, one right here and one on the other side. But yeah, so this is a Cobb. See, Cobb. Like I said, this is the problem. You can probably put. That's what I did, but silicone and keep it if you want it permanent on something. But like I said, it works. It just trying to fix this. If you guys put a little, take this out and put a thicker metal, then you got your working to run it. So like I said, guys, I'll give this out for free because with this, the license plate and a sticker, I'll do a free giveaway. Like I said, you don't have to worry about the shipping. I'll tell you more details about that. So let's get the new one on. Into this. This is, if you guys get this, if you guys live in California, you get the California legal sticker. So if you get pulled over, you can the cop can see this and say, hey, it's California legal. That's why I have that on that. And what is it? Oh, one on my front mount intercooler. Because the front mount intercooler now is California legal. The air box is, and the turbo inlet. See, have it one right there. So everything's Gucci on that. So yeah, let's get back to this video to putting this back on. So that's good, tight. Put the intake nozzle on. It's gonna be that tight. I have this tube. I got this from JBR. I don't think Cobb makes a color one like this, so that's why I got the JBR so it can match. So yeah, put this on. There you go, everything's done. The new one's on. Everything's clamped on pretty good. It's not sliding off. That's how it's supposed to be. The other one was just sliding off, and I just couldn't do it no more. Then, like I said, the car was going a little bit too rich, so I'm pretty sure that's what it was because of that. I'm hoping that's what it was. Not, then it's something else. But now I know that's fixed though, because I know that was definitely bringing air in from the part that was loose from. So. Now I'm just put the airbox and stuff back on and the battery, then I'm done.
plug these back in before you put the battery in. There you too.
And there you go. It is on. The new one's on. Everything's all flush and good now. So hopefully the too rich hopefully my car doesn't run rich now because of that. I'm pretty sure that's what it was, but if not, something else I had to check on. But I know that was really loose when I went to go tighten it. And so, like I said on this one, this is the thing I just told you about. But everything, I mean, it works. If you can fix this or know what to do, I mean, you got you a free Cobb one, whoever fix it. So I will leave the clamps and stuff on. Well, probably take this one off. I put these on it, or this one on this one. So I want these. But yeah, like I said, guys, I'll put this. It'll be this and a license plate and a sticker for giveaways, totally for free. Whoever wins, I will ship it all to you for free. You don't have to worry about it. So I'll give you more detail on that later on. But till then, thanks guys for watching. Hope you guys liked the video. Like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't. Let me know what you guys think with this video. Yeah, that's how you guys put it on. Really simple. It's not hard. But yeah, until then, see you in the next one. You guys have a good one.